What is up, YouTube? It is really hard to talk right now because I have my Invisalign in. Yes, that is right. After all these years, after 7 years of hearing comments, yo, your teeth are so fucked, yo, your teeth are your teeth are fucked up, bro. Your teeth are like so messed up, dude. I am finally getting my teeth fixed. Now, a lot of people have said, why do you spend all this money on Supreme? Why don't you get braces instead? Without understanding that, like, I make my money off of buying Supreme. Unless I started a YouTube channel around fixing my teeth, I can't really make money back from that. That being said, I am pretty excited to finally get my teeth fixed. I'm not gonna lie to you, although having Invisalign is still a huge pain in the ass. It's only like my 3rd day, which is probably why it still hurts. These probably aren't good for my teeth, but they are good for my soul. Anyways, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to go over a huge Supreme unboxing. I have a plethora of goods, and it's not just stuff from this season. Whenever I try to do these unboxings now, I try to sprinkle in some other pickups as well, so that way it's not, I don't just like going over like the shit that you guys can see every single day. I like picking up other pieces of Supreme to add to my collection. I was just recently in New York and LA. I didn't really record like a vlog of me coming back from LA to Seattle just because I had all this stuff that I was trying to create at the time. That being said, I am actually starting to film a trip to the thrift. I went thrifting yesterday. I did pick this up. This I did pay resale for. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is a 1995 Grateful Dead shirt, but I found some other heaters for some super killer deals. So if you guys would like to see a trip to the thrift, definitely smash that like button down below. You guys have been freaking killing it with the likes, and honestly, that means the world to me because these last several videos have done really well. My low-key brand unboxing, I think that did better than any other low-key brand unboxing, which I love because I like showing you guys other things besides just Supreme. If you guys like seeing different types of content, then please take a second to hit that little thumbs up on the bottom right of this video. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and of course, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see and if you guys would like to see a trip to the thrift because I've been finding such freaking bangers. And if I'm being real, I have way more fun creating those videos. Now, that being said, we're going to crack into the first box. Grab the gold blade. I have no idea what this unboxing will be valued at, like how much stuff I'm going to unbox today. Anyways, first up we have a super soaker. I did already sell 2 of these on Robitussin Poppy. Robitussin Poppy is my resale page for those of you guys that do not know. Now, I probably will not keep that super soaker because I already have the Supreme water gun and the FTP water gun, so you already know your boy's strapped up. But anyways, moving on. I did get some pickups from StockX, by the way. I got some fire pieces from StockX. So right here, first piece I got from StockX was this right here. This is the Supreme Wolf Fleece. Now, I got this in a size medium. Originally, I had the orange one, and I got the orange one just because the black one was going for way too much money at the time. And on top of that, it did match the dog that I took a picture with on my Instagram. Like I said, if you guys do not follow me, change your life. I take some extremely dope pictures on Instagram and I try to mix it in. Like I try to mix in hype with dope outfits. Like for example, the picture I took in this fleece, obviously not like a really wearable outfit that I would at least rock personally, but I do try to wear other outfits like maybe this. Okay, maybe those shorts are a little short, but maybe like this or this, and just kind of mix in like hype with my own personal style as well. That being said, I love this piece. This is definitely a personal cop. This like screams Northwest, so to see a Supreme piece like this that I would go crazy over in the thrift as well is definitely sick to see. Now, this piece right here, I got a super killer deal on. Mind you, I did pay for this piece. I got this for $600, which is like basically half of what this goes for on the market. Huge shout to StockX. If you guys do not know what StockX is a great online platform that you can use to buy and sell brand new Supreme goods. You can also use it to buy and sell brand new Palace, sneakers, all sorts of goods. So during StockX Day, when I flew out to Detroit, they had like their own little shop that some of the individuals they invited could shop at and get some really killer deals. The reason they had that is because oftentimes people may try to sell used goods on StockX, and if they are unable to figure out a way to return it to the seller or whatever, then they are stuck with that item and they just have to refund the buyer but keep the item that is obviously like lightly used, or maybe there's like a minor flaw in the packaging, like a damaged box for sneakers, whatever. So that being said, they had a bunch of stuff. They allowed me to go in there, which was cool because people like Don C, Trinidad James, like all these big names were able to shop in there. So I was honored to be a part of that, and I picked this up for $600. This is the only clothing item I picked up, and the only reason for that is because they only limited it to 3 items. Otherwise, you guys already know I would have spent way too much money in there because they had some killer freaking deals. I did pick up some sneakers. If you guys would like to see a crazy sneaker unboxing, smash the like button. But anyways, purple on red. I do like this piece. you guys know me, I don't really care about box logos that much. I don't think it's necessarily worth what the market price is. That thing goes for like $1,200, $1,300. I got it just because it was a super killer deal. I'll probably eventually end up selling it, but I did have a picture in mind for it, which is the main reason that I wanted to acquire that piece. By the way, real quick, speaking of StockX, I will leave a link to StockX down in the description below. Definitely go show some love. For me personally, I like it because I started off as a buyer. I didn't start off selling Supreme. So to me, adding transparency to the marketplace is always going to be a beneficial thing for the buyer. It shows you what items are selling for across multiple platforms, and it's just an overall amazing place to purchase and know that you are getting a good deal and able to buy with a little bit more confidence. All right, so the first piece we got are these tees. Now, I've actually already shown these off, so there's no point opening these. If you guys watched my last Supreme unboxing that I did in LA, I did show these off. This is the Bela Lugosi tee in a purple, and the It Gets Better Every Time tee in like a little baby blue color. I probably got a good amount of tees. Ooh, nice, the Buju tee. Or I should say Buju sticker, because this is not a Buju tee, this is a Dynamite tee in red. The reason I'm not going into detail about other pieces, by the way, is because I don't want to spend time talking about pieces that I've already discussed. Now, here's a piece that I have not shown off on this channel. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna go up eventually, but I do think these pieces are really, really freaking sick, as you guys can see. This is a Senkantani tee. I'm probably saying that wrong, but you have these really obscure graphics on the front, and then on the back right here, you have this little like Japanese writing. I forgot what this means. If you know what this means, please educate me in the comments down below. You guys always do. Ooh, I am wrong. What the heck is this? Is this the Mophie? No, this is too small. Oh, wow. Okay, so I actually completely forgot about this piece. So in the last unboxing that I did show these off, and it's like the Victorinox knives, as you guys can see right there. But I was missing a couple, and I thought for sure that I paid for more. So I was like, did Supreme jip me? But I just received this package like really, really late. Items like that will be up on Robotech Copy. Oh, another one of those tees, as you can see right here, or here. Oh no, this is not another knife. What is this? Is this a Zippo? Ooh, it is. Okay, bam. As you can see, you have the diamond cut Zippo right there. This one is not necessarily my favorite, but still a pretty cool Zippo. And honestly, in person, I feel like this one will age a lot better than some of the other ones just because it's not all like shiny. Okay, so moving on. Oh, this is another one of those tees, a Senkantani tee. I do not believe I've shown this off, so I'm going to have to open this one up. As you guys can see, this is a short sleeve. You have this little graphic right here, and then on the back, you have this graphic like blasted across. I think these tees will age well. And next we have, oh, this is the jacket. Now, this piece was by far one of the better pieces from that collaboration. One that I think is quite slept on. I did not go for the pants because if you look at the pants, it looks like these little kiddos are reaching for the sausage, right? The little wiener. They're like reaching up, and I'm just like, I don't really like those pants. But the jacket, what size did I get? A size medium, super sick. You have the Old English Supreme embroidered right there on the chesticle. You have this very, very obscure graphic all over. This was definitely one of the more slept on pieces. You have this little skull right here. You have a titty, which looks like a plastic titty. And I'm not talking no Blake Linder plastic surgery titty. I'm just talking like a straight blow up doll. By far, one of the best pieces to drop all year. You have this little Nike bag right here. I got a plethora of these as well. It's a complete rip of a bootleg Nike piece. If you look at the jacket, which I also got as well. Okay, what did I get from Champion? I do not remember this. Oh yeah, I can't believe I forgot. This piece is super sick. As you can see, you have the Champion metallic logo right there. I did get a yellow. I don't think I got too many of these. This is an extra large. This will definitely be sold, but this is such a sick piece. Really, really sick. Definitely one of the better Champion collaborations that we've had as well. This one's a little bit bigger. And we got, ooh, T-Pack. And I'm not talking no beverage. Anyways, we have the Molotov Kid tee, which has this graphic right there. The Persistence of Memory tee, which has a little clock on it. And then, of course, this little graphic, which is the Susie Switchblade tee. You have this individual, and she is carrying a little doll. I don't believe she has a switchblade, though. Does the doll? Oh, the doll has a knife, and she's got a little iPhone with her selfie on it, which I did not notice that graphic. But I gotta try to hurry because otherwise this video is going to be 3 days long. I did pick up some stuff from Saru General. Huge shout out to Saru General, by the way. Saru General is definitely one of the better resellers that I got a lot of love for. I've gotten a lot of different items on there in the past. You guys have seen that if you guys have watched my video. Ooh, yes, the Supreme Wilson football. I do have some plans for this. Oh, we even include a little Saru sticker. I gotta get this inflated, but stay tuned to the Instagram if you guys wanna see what I do with it. Ooh. And then this box should have some freaking grails for me, or at least 2 grails in particular. I told him to hit me up as soon as he comes across some of these. Thankfully, he did. Oh my God. Oh my God, boy! This is so gas. First of all, I did not know the incense thing was this tiny. That is crazy small. Anyways, you have a little incense holder right here. It's got this like little acrylic incense, super tiny, but super freaking dope. If you guys don't know me, I love incense. So since I have the actual Supreme incense, this was a mandatory accessory. But the piece that I am probably most excited about, oh my God, the condition of this looks so nice too. It is sadly an XL, which is kind of bumming me out because it's gonna be a little bit too big for me, but fuck it, I do not even care. This piece should fit big. It is the Supreme Chucky Tee, a legendary piece right here. By far one of the better tees that Supreme has ever done. Anyways, I love a lot of this stuff, or a lot of the airbrush stuff that Supreme has done in the past. If you guys don't know, I've gotten the Mercedes-Benz tee, the Malcolm X airbrush tee, and just shit like that that has cool ass art. You have Supreme graffitied on the bucket hat, Supreme going down right here. He's wearing Supreme, and of course it's Chucky, the man, the myth, or I should say the boy, the myth, the legend. What a legendary personal piece. Also, he has a ton of bait as well if you guys are into that. Obviously, I'm more into Supreme, but still, ooh, I didn't even realize my man's got his own Ziplocs now. He's moving up in the world. Anyways, damn, we have some week 1 orders that were never unboxed. We got the shower cap, as you can see. I got a King of New York tee in red and a Creeper tee in black. I'm already showing these off. Okay, so in here we have yet another yellow Supreme Champion tee. A second Tani Boobies tee. Okay, this one feels a little bit heavier. Ooh, this is a fire package. Still all tees. Another Bela Lugosi tee. A black It Gets Better Every Time tee. And then a Greetings from Supreme tee where you have this like graphic right here that looks kind of like a postcard with the World Trade Centers. I got 2 more of these bags. Never mind, 3 more. Oh, this piece is gas. Ooh, both of these are gas. Wow, I forgot about these. When I was actually at StockX Day, I saw JD's grandfather wearing this piece right here. Or maybe it wasn't at the event, or like he posted a picture with it. But anyways, this was by far one of my favorite pieces. Please say I got a size medium. Oh, yes. Anyways, as you can see, it says Supreme Forever. This actually sat on the site. This is all embroidered. You have a quilted upper right here. Super clean piece. Definitely one of my personal favorites. Also, you have the hickey hider right here. So when a girl or a succubus or a vampire is sucking on your neck, trying to draw or withdraw blood from your blood bank, then yeah, you can hide it right here when they leave a little marking on your neck region. And then this piece right here, I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I do love this piece. I think it's just a super clean tee right here. You have this all navy piece, and then you have this like Gucci striped neck, green outline, red interior. Definitely a nice little piece for sure. I like when you see neck ribbing like that, so I might honestly end up keeping this piece at least for a while, because I do think this is a super slept on piece for sure. Both of these pieces were really easy to cop online, honestly. Whew, it's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes, it is getting so hot, I'm gonna take my hat off. The second Tani tee. This is a lot heavier. Oh, big tee pack. Persistence of Memory tee, Molotov Kid tee, Ghost Rider tee, and Susie Switchblade tee. What's in here? Another Victorinox knife. Damn. I'm glad that it's all worked out, because I genuinely thought Supreme was hoeing me and didn't ship me all my knives. All right, we are kind of getting down to the nitty gritty. Not too much left to go on. First up, we got this piece right here. I definitely want to show this off because this is a personal piece, and oh my god, I thought I already opened it. Yo, this is so gas. I'm so glad to finally have these in the collection. It is the Supreme, oh, they're definitely worn. You can definitely see where the individual wore them, but I'm not really tripping because honestly, I plan on wearing the shit out of them anyways. You have these cherubs going all throughout the entire denim. Absolutely delicious. The Supreme little back right there. Oh, these are so freaking fire, dude. I don't know why I smelled it. Anyways, so sick. One of the better pieces in the collection. If you look closely, you can see that these angels are all actually like a part of the denim. Let me try to get a close-up for you, because this thing is, oh, it just needs to be appreciated. Like, it's such a sick piece. I was unable to cop the denim when they dropped. I did have the jacket in blue, and I sold it, and I regret it, because honestly, I want the jacket back. Now I think I have the brown denim, the blue denim somewhere, and the brown jacket. We got this piece, which I have a couple of these, but the color that I have is different. I have the yellow camo color, which I will probably end up selling soon on Robitussin Poppy. I think this piece is super sick. As you can see, you have the orange pullover, and it's got the Supreme spell out all embroidered on the hood. Super nice jacket, definitely will keep you warm in the winter time. I got this for a super killer deal from the homie Redux. Now while we're going over some of my favorite jackets, I need to discuss this piece right here. This is such a sick, oh wait, no, this isn't even it. What the fuck? Okay, I thought this was it, but this is actually just the hoodie. All right, well. Anyways, that's awkward. Still a nice hoodie. I do love this whole collection. I kind of wish I would have caught the brown one, but nonetheless, green and blue, as you can see, Supreme right there with the little Nike stripe. You have this all stripe pattern going down, and yeah, man, overall, a sick piece. We're actually almost done. Here we have, ooh, the Applique shorts. I do not know why they sent it in such a freaking large ass bag. But yeah, Supreme water shorts, size small. These were really hard to cop because online it was super laggy. During this drop, it literally dropped, I think, like 8 minutes late. And because of that reason, a lot of people gave up. A lot of bots started getting declined, so I was able to cop this. And I think I copped the Super Soaker in one cart. I have so many Supreme water trunks that those will probably end up getting sold on Robotess and Poppy. All right, next up we have, dude, they put this little thing in this big ass bag. Just gonna open all of these rapid fire through them. First up, we have a gift from my man Supreme Connect. Huge shout out to him. He sent me a shower cap. He sent this to me before I even knew I was gonna get so many, but yeah, huge shout out to Supreme Connect. Definitely the homie. Next up, we have, oh, Supreme backpack. Always mandatory for the back to schools, and a Supreme side bag, of course. Then we have another Supreme backpack, another Supreme side bag. Those are the Supreme tote bag, backpack things. Then we have, wait, what is this? Oh, I do remember this. This has a Supreme spell out on the back. Definitely a sick piece. As you can see, Supreme New York. I don't know why, but I just did not remember that it was a thermal. I completely forgot about that. The Qualite tee. This is in one of my favorite colors. I think this just has like a clean, simple embroidery on the chesticle or breastises. Oh, it's not embroidered. That's kind of a bummer. It says Supreme, some fancy writing. I don't know. I do like this piece. It's really clean. I do wish this was embroidered, but that being said, it looks like it's actually, oh wow, is this a laser print? It looks like it's a laser print, which I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it seems like. Size medium, super clean color, and definitely a nice piece. Once again, they put this little tiny Super Soaker keychain in a huge ass bag. Then we have another second Tawny tee. And last but not least, a Supreme Champion metallic tee in black. So I did end up getting 3 of those. Do I have more stuff from StockX? Oh, I do. Okay, boom. So I got another cherry button up because I just loved this cherry button up. If you guys did not see the photo that I took of this on Instagram, change your life, go follow me. I took a super fire fit pic in this. And then after that, of course, I had to get some Madonna tees. I got a terracotta and a red just because they were killer deals at the time. Huge shout out to StockX. Like I said earlier, if you guys do not know what StockX is, change your life. Go check out that link in the description down below. StockX is a great online platform to buy and sell brand new Supreme, and honestly, they've been expanding so much into other brands. I'm really curious to see where they expand in the future. And now I think they even have collectibles on there, which is super dope. So definitely stay updated with StockX. Check out what they got by using that link down in the description. Also, throughout this entire video, I verified all the prices of these goods by comparing or using the StockX market price. I don't know what the total for this unboxing is, but it seems like it's a lot of money because I unboxed a ton of stuff, and although I tried to keep it clean by putting most of the clothes over here, my place is still atrocious. Like I said earlier, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. If you guys made it all the way to the end, definitely comment gang, gang, gang down in the comments below. While you're down there, make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications for future unboxings and other clothing related videos. Skirt! By the way, there's going to be a link down in the description that will take you to StockX. Definitely check that link out. StockX is a sponsor of the channel. Huge shout out to StockX for showing love to me. If you support the channel and you want to see the channel grow, you want to see the channel continue to prosper, definitely click that link. Okay, so real quick, I just need to say, I did not film an outro. I don't know why. I was really tired. I have a bunch of organizing to do. As you guys can see, like I can't even sleep on my own bed right now. Oh my god, I'm knocking shit over. Anyways, thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. Shout out to all the all-stars, gang-stars, monstars that are supporting me. I apologize for my shitty haircut and the pubic hair on my face right now and in the video, but thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Anyways, as always, keep living star life. Peace the fuck out.
Say bang bitch, holler when you feel this. Fresh up out the county, tell them hoes to get up on me. I was in that motherfucker with some killers.